Okay, let's go ahead and do our math. So you guys should have done this yesterday. Let me pull my thing up here a little bit. Okay, so today we're going to be talking some more about tens and ones. And it is page number 15. So that's the page you're going to do with me in just a minute. But you see these blocks? These blocks are what we're going to practice doing with our tens and our ones. So give me just a minute and we will be working with our blocks. Okay, I am back. Here we go. We got our blocks. I'm going to lay them out here. See if you guys can see them. Can we see them? Is that focused? Yeah. All right, make sure I got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have a tower of 10. There's another tower of 10. And another tower of 10. Okay, so if you were building a city with skyscrapers, flip my board over here. If you were building a city with skyscrapers, you would only be able to get 10 floors. See, each one of these holes is like a window. And then there's a new floor. If you guys have ever been in a building where you have to take an elevator up the tower, that's what you're doing. You're going from floor to floor. So in our skyscrapers and our towers, there can be one family live where you see every little window there. So there's one family, two families, three families, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the whole tower holds 10 families. 10 families. But inside one little square is one family where the window is. So it can hold 10 families in our city. Now in our city, you can only build towers on the first side. We call that tens. That's where the towers are, where 10 families can live together in one tower. We call that tens. The other side of the city is for our ones. So let me show you what that looks like. Ones are the little separate houses, like this. These are little separate houses that are not stacked on each other. Look, I'm going to put some little roofs on them. Check it out. There's some little roofs on our houses. Some little roofs. There's our houses. They don't get stacked up on top of each other. There's not enough of them to get stacked up on top of each other. There has to be 10 before they can make a whole tower, and there's only 3, so there's not enough. So inside of each little house, one family still lives, but there's just not enough to make your tower. So you have how many towers? 1, 2, 3. How many little houses by themselves? 1, 2, 3. So watch this. I'm going to show you a really cool trick. There's 3 towers here. 3 towers. That's 3 towers. There's 3 houses here. Right, 3 houses. Now, if somebody come to you and said, how many families can live in your city? You'd say, well, I don't know. I know we have 3 towers and we have 3 houses left for you guys to move into, but I don't know how many that makes. Well, you're going to have to count them. Now, we could do this. We could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would take forever. Who wants to do that? That's for the birds. I have an easier way. How many people live in this tower? How many families? Yeah, 10. How many live here? 10. How many live here? 10. Is there a way that we can count by tens? Since there's 10 families in each tower, let's try it. 10, 20, 30. So there's 30 families that can live in the towers. 30. But now over here, are there 10 families in these guys? No, there's only 1. So we're just going to add 1 at a time. 10, 20, 30, plus 1 more. 31, 32, 33. Excuse me. So how many families can live in your city? 33. Now check this out. It gets even neater. How many towers were there? 3. How many houses were there? 3. Does that make 33? Yes! Is your mind totally blown yet? Yes! All right, let's try something a little different. I know that was a little bit hard and a little bit much, and it is okay. We're going to be practicing this a lot throughout the year. So that was just our quick little tens and ones lesson. I do want to go ahead and do the workbook with you. We're going to do a page in our workbook, and we will keep working on our tens and our ones, and you guys are totally going to get it. I'm not even worried about it. If it was a little confusing today, it's okay. You're going to get it. Don't even sweat it, guys. Don't even sweat it. All right, here's where we left off. So you should have done page 12, and then I think I had you do 13 on your own, and here we are. So we're going to do 15 together. And if I go too fast, you just pause me. So number 1, let's count how many towers we have in our city. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towers. That goes on the 10 side. That says tens because there can be 10 families live in these towers. Tens. There's 5 of them. Now there's 2 left over here by themselves. Those are the ones. Only one family can live in that spot. So 1, 2. There's 2. Now when you put it together, it makes 52. If you don't believe me, you can count them. Watch. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 1 more. 51, 52. Check that out. All right, next. How many towers of 10 do you have? Only 1. How many little ones left over do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 1, 8, that makes 18. Let's see if we can really have 18 people live in our city. So this whole tower makes 10, plus 1 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hey, you did! All right, last one. I have 3 towers of 10, so I'm going to put 3 here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. So you put it together. That's 38. Let's see if that's for real. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Look at that. Sort of like magic. So today I want you guys to do this page. Page number 19. Or 16. I'm sorry, 16. This page 17. And then sit tight because this will be your test for the week. Okay? So do a good job practicing 16 and 17, and then do not do any more in your workbook. We'll have other things to do instead. So you guys have fun. Bye.